guys, it's Cam. I'm going to be showing you how I make a Churidaar sleeve. I'm going to show you how I cut and stitch it. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so what you want to do is fold your fabric in half. My fabric at the top is sort of uneven, so what I'm doing is just marking a line across. And then measure the width. So my fabric needs to be at least 10.5 inches in width. This is my armhole width, including extra 2 inches. Then from the top, mark down 3 inches and draw a straight line. Then mark down the full length of the arm. So mine is 20.5 inches. As I'm going to be adding another fabric, I don't need to add extra fabric for hemming, so I've just left it as that. Then mark your wrist. Mine is at 3 inches, then I'm adding 2 inches for loosening fabric. At the top, draw a curve from the top to the 3 inches that you've drawn out below. And then also add an extra 2 inch for loosening fabric. Now cut the lines drawn out from the top. Now I've got another chiffon fabric. Now what I'm doing is placing the cutout piece on top. Make sure the fabric is set out right and ironed. I have the closed side facing me, so the side that's folded is facing me and the side that's opened is facing away from me. And then cut around the fabric piece. Then lay out both fabrics down on the table and cut 1/2 inch on one side only. That side is going to be stitched onto the front side of the Kameez. Now my embroidered fabric that I've cut out 2 rectangle pieces, 9 inches in length and 8 inches in width. The width is supposed to be the same size as your wrist. I didn't have a lot of fabric left, so I had to make do with what I had. Now grab the embroidered fabric piece and hem the bottom. I folded it twice, so once by 1/2 inch and again by 1/2 inch, and then stitch across. And then place the fabric. The wrong side should be facing you and the right side should be facing down. And then stitch across the bottom, leaving 1/2 inch of gap. Turn over the fabric so it's facing the right side now and do a top stitch. Then fold the fabric in half and stitch from the bottom to the top of the fabric. Now I'm just trying on the sleeve just to make sure it fits and any adjustments I need to make. What I've done at the bottom, I've kept it quite tight fitted just to give it more of a Churidaar look. Now stitch the sleeve on the kameez and that's done. Hope you liked the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe. My next video will be out on Saturday, how to cut and stitch a Churidaar Pajami, and then next week I've got really exciting videos coming out.